Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about all of the greatest home exercise and fitness equipment on Amazon. You guys, this is for your recovery. I love this. It's the HealthSmart foam roller, and this one is really, really cool. But first, I just want to say, if you are like me, I was so skeptical of foam rolling. I felt like I heard everyone talking about it. I saw it everywhere. I saw influencers talking about it, but I just didn't understand, like, I just thought they were trying to sell me something that wasn't really useful. Like, how can that be? It just looks like a rolled up thing. Okay, guys, I was totally wrong. As soon as I tried one, I realized this is the truth. It helps me recover after workouts. Anytime I am sore, that is what I use like right away to work out those really tight knots. I love it. Even after a long day of typing, I do it on my forearms and all of a sudden my wrist pain goes away. I use them all the time. It's just a part of my life that I crave and I love, and I can't believe I ever, was skeptical of them. So if you guys are not already foam rolling, you need to be. Please take it from me. Like, it's amazing. It is completely amazing. Second part of this is that this foam roller in particular just takes it to a whole new level because it has a vibration massage function, 4 different levels. So it's going to just make your foam rolling even better. This is just going to be something that you crave and that you want to do for your own self-care. It's amazing. Foam rolling, if you haven't tried it before, it can just be really subtle. It can be as simple as just getting those pressure points out. This design is really cool because it has a concave middle, so it's great for, especially if you're going to use it on your neck. It's really, really good for that. Or like behind your knees, your calves, it's going to get in there really, really well with that concave design. Super important. As far as the vibration and massage function goes, you guys, this battery is insane. It lasts for up to 3 hours. It has a 15-minute auto shut-off function, so it's going to save your battery life, so you're not gonna have to be recharging it very often, but it does recharge. So again, get to foam rolling, get your recovery on. It's going to help your, just don't forsake that part of your fitness, because if you're recovering faster and you're getting, that rest in, it's just going to make you so much stronger. So definitely invest in yourself. Put this in your cart. You're going to be really glad that you did.